Smoothies have become very popular over the last couple of years, something that you can enjoy as a snack or as something with a light meal. A lot of the times though, when you purchase a smoothie, there's a lot of additives and things that you might not know that go into there. So making a smoothie at home is a lot of fun, something you can enjoy on your own, and something that you can also share with your kids or your loved ones. Today we're making tropical mango smoothie surprise. What's a surprise, you ask? Well, we're going to find out in just a few moments here. So what we're going to do first is we're going to juice some oranges. I've chopped and peeled about 5 oranges. I'm going to go ahead and get them juiced here. Now, we might not use all of this juice in our smoothie, but it's something that you can add to it, and then whatever you don't use, you can set aside and drink for breakfast. The next thing we're going to juice is carrots. Carrots are something that are very sweet when you juice them, and you can put them in the smoothie, and if you're giving this to kids, it's going to give them added nutrition, and you're really not going to taste it. It's just going to be an added sweetness. If you don't think you're going to like it, then obviously you can omit it from your smoothie. I juiced about 5 carrots, that's about a pound. I didn't peel them, I just chopped the ends off and gave them a good washing. And look at all this beautiful orange juice that it made. So now we're going to get the blender ready to make the smoothie. In case you're not very familiar with mangoes, this is what they look like. You know they're ripe when you squeeze them and they're soft to the touch. You want to peel and chop them. They have a big pit or seed in the middle. You don't want to eat that. You want to chop around that. So what we're going to add to our tropical fruit smoothie is mango. We have 1 banana, and then we have a can of pineapple that I had drained the juice off of. If you want to use fresh pineapple, go ahead. I have the canned pineapple on hand, so I just decided to go with that. The surprise is the carrot juice. You're not going to be able to taste it that strong once you blend all this together, and it just adds extra nutrients and it's good for you. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting this blended, and then we're going to add the juice, the 2 different juices to kind of make the smoothie to the consistency that we want it. So let me go ahead and get this all added in here. And you could also add things like papaya, you know, even like coconut. You can add more bananas, or maybe if you don't like, some people don't like bananas, so you don't necessarily need to add that. And it's gonna turn out pretty good. You could even add like some protein powder if you were gonna do maybe like this is like a breakfast type thing. You could add, sometimes I'll add ground flaxseed. That gives you additional fiber, and there's other nutrients in flaxseed. So now I'm going to add some of the carrot juice. It's pretty well blended, so I'm going to add this and then blend it in. You don't want to add obviously all of it at first until you give it a taste, because you don't obviously want it to taste like carrots unless that's what you're going for. So I think that's pretty well mixed. And you can always help your blender out too if it's having a hard time chopping. Just push some of the bigger chunks down towards the blade, but this blender tends to be pretty efficient. So let me give that a taste here. It's very good. You can definitely taste the mango, the banana, and the pineapple. I'm not going to add in that orange juice to it because I don't think it really needs it. I might add a little bit more carrot juice, but there you have it. Tropical fruit mango surprise. Something that you can make at home. You can have the kids help you out, and you can even make this, you know, the night before and have it for breakfast, and you can add many different things to it. So go ahead, try it out and see what kind of different tastes you can create.